Hello, ewan ko sa inyo kung ilan ang nakakarinig sa ganitong problema. This extension cord para i-connect lahat ng inyong coffee machines and your blender. One. Or this, where you plug all your phone charger, lamp, and salt lamp. So, and this, diba? I know this is for television, but of course, in my head, I know pangit yung saksakan behind my television. So, I found a better solution. So, eto ang solutions, mainland main power PH. So, I asked them to install this para I can connect all my machines on its separate dockets. No more extension. So, all you have to do is press on the side, twist, take it out. But if you want to use it on another section, so, ganyan na siya dito. Kunyari. And, twist. There's lights already. Ibig sabihin, you're ready to go. So, you can attach another one. Diba how smart? So, no more extension cords. No more struggle. And look at this. See? It's so neat. So, hindi mo na kailangan extension at the side table of your bed. And one thing nice about this, the mainland power PH, is child-friendly siya. So, ibig sabihin, kahit ipasok yung daliri, hindi siya nakakatakot for kids if you have toddlers that who likes to play around in your room. So, this is safe. So, problem 2, solved. And this, look at this. So, diba, I'm sure hindi lang ako yun. No? I don't know kung ako lang yung, I know at the back of my head, yung outlet sa likod ng television ko, ang gulo, ang pangit tignan. And I don't like that. I don't want to keep on thinking na habang nanonood ako, ang pangit ang likod na nasa TV ko. So there you go. Problem solved. Okay, so thank you Mainline Power PH for all of this. I mean, you know, you're a blessing. As in, ang galing ng idea. Now we don't have to worry with all your extension cords at home or in your offices. So, don't forget, get Mainline Power PH. Okay? Thank you.